Dash speaker installation. Remove dash speaker grills. Very carefully disengage the speaker grill on the dashboard using a plastic panel or pick tool. Once loosened, lift straight up, then away to remove. Disconnect the tweeter connector in order to remove the speaker grill. With the speaker grill outside of the vehicle, identify the rear inside locking tooth. Extend the depth of the tooth by cutting across a 1/4 inch below the existing depth. Do not exceed the cut further than the existing vertical shape. Cut down, meeting your first cut to complete the right angle. This will allow your speaker grill to rest flush when reinstalled with the depth of your new 4-inch OEM Audio Plus dash speaker. Remove the two 10mm bolts holding the factory dash speaker in place. Remove the factory mounting hardware from the speaker location. Install the provided M6 speed clip to the speaker mounting location. Position the OEM Audio Plus 4-inch speaker and reinstall dash speaker connector. Mount the 4-inch OEM Audio Plus dash speaker using the two M5 10mm bolts. Hand tighten to ensure no binding, then tighten completely with a 10mm wrench. Connect the tweeter connector and make sure it is secure with the built-in locking tab. Reinstall the speaker grill by sliding the back end in first. Push the front side of the speaker grill straight down until it snaps back into place. Repeat these steps for the other tweeter.